Greetings and salutations, ones and ones. All viewers and subscribers, bless upon yourself. We're here again with another director's overview. I'm going to bless up everybody and say thank you for the motivation and also for telling me that this is a very good initiative to do this breakdown and this overview because it gives people perspective. See? So, we're here with another overview and we'll be looking at friend, business partner, and motivator. Let's get right into it.
Are you stressed out by your $100,000 electric bill? Are you tired of that end of month surprise by the Jamaican people?
The man say to leave Michelle and Tiffany alone because them dead to you.
Hey, Tony and have a very
Yeah, I'm going to
piercing
talk
look.
to you about this and next time because right now, too much things are going on. I'm just really want to focus on this because I'm in a happy mood. We could just talk about it next time, please.
Alright.
Yeah man,
So-
lighten the mood.
When exactly you gonna start?
Well, I forgot to buy up some food. So I have in mind some wings and then now I put this in mind also so I get some hot dog. So next week.
Yeah, good. Now you sound like a businessman.
Alright.
So we're still
Hold on.
using this
Tonian,
moment
you think we forget the
to
next
work
fridge?
on the motivation part of it.
Career.
And
One,
Tonian is being the
two,
motivator in this.
3. We don't need no more fridge.
Alright. So, what about a stove?
Kareem, you see no space for stove right now? Alright, here one. Cook the food in my yard, carry them come, and just use the warmer so them can stay warm.
You're smart, you know, you see? And that's why I tell you, say me need in the business. Yeah? Alright.
I see the excitement on your face. Kareem, the
Pause for the
businessman.
cause. So what I really wanted to achieve in this scene is to show Tonian continuing on this path of being a motivator for Kareem and Kareem being flustered about actually starting a business and wanting to get it right. And she kind of steering him and giving him, encouragement and say, "No worry yourself, man. Mrs. say you're excited, but y'all get it right. Don't worry about it." And also keeping it innocent. And I think we achieved that. If you think so, make sure to say your comment below.
Kareem, the businessman.
May I go to some plate and come back. Alright, so
I love that moment here now.
Kareem, you can just do that tomorrow because a half day today.
oh, so you lock up now? Alright, so tomorrow, yeah?
Alright. You see me, little?
Pass for the cause. So, I ask him for pass her close. I'm going to ask them for just play a moment of kind of flirtatious moment. And Kareem decided to add bumping up in the chair as a part of him theme flirtatious movement. That wasn't a part of the script, him just decided to do that. So my actors, them are improvise, and I like that about them. And even when Tonian said, you see him nearly lick up, him nearly drop, that was totally out of character. So me have to just cut and move on to the next moment.
Tonya, come like this to me.
Alright, Miracle.
So tomorrow, friend slash co-worker slash business partner slash holy things.
Alright, Kareem.
You have to love the innocence between them two. When I push for any of them senior, when I really push for another scene, is to have them maintain that kind of youthfulness about them friendship, because it not really reach relationship stage yet. So they maintain the youthfulness about it, so it don't look too adult and a little jarring. And I can tell you for real, that shop door there is not easy for that. Like we have to do it 2 or 3 times, and I'm for sure exactly, because there's a science to it. Coming in from a day's work, you know?
Bubbles?
Alright.
Bubbles, yeah, cook it so nice. Dinner turn up, Bubbles.
Alright, so this that have nothing to do with the scene now, this have to do with me. Hungry, turn up in a real life. I couldn't wait for finish shoot the scene and for that pot they done bubble, so me could have get involved. You see what I say? Fun fact. Let's continue.
I'm sorry, Mega. Take it off.
Yeah. Yeah. So, people, once again, thanks for joining me. We just looked at friend, business partner, and motivator. Yeah, man. This was another episode of Director's Overview. If you don't think the scene should have get a different name, tell me. That is what one of the questions I'm gonna ask people after we finish. If you think the scene should have gotten another name, tell me what you think about it. I like pick people brain. Big up on yourself. Until the next one. See you on the other side.